In 1997, Mr. Mandela said that the South African revolution will not be complete as long as Palestinians are not free. Do you believe any legitimate comparison can be drawn between South African apartheid and Israeli treatment of Palestinians within the occupied territories?
I don't want to get involved in the same type of statement which I think Jimmy Carter made. I think no two countries are exactly the same. But I do think what is necessary in Israel and Palestine is meaningful, real negotiation, in which I think two major things, two major initiatives need to be taken. From the Palestinian side, the right of the State of Israel to exist must be acknowledged. Until they do that, I don't foresee meaningful negotiations. From the Israeli side, on the issue of borders and the geographical state, if we look at the two-nation-state solution, there must be initiatives to say that a Palestinian state will have reasonable geographical area of which the Palestinian nation can be proud. So the border issue needs, to my mind, an initiative from Israel, and the right to exist issue needs an initiative from the Palestinians.